Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Renee Barnett and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share how I make my all-natural body butter using unrefined mango butter. It's easy to make, it's an excellent moisturizer for the skin, and it's packed with vitamins A, C, and E. For this recipe, all you essentially need are your ingredients, a blender, and a jar for your body butter. I'm going to be using raw mango butter, jojoba oil, avocado oil, and mango fragrance to give my body butter a delicious scent. So this particular mango butter came in a 16-ounce block. And as you can see, I already started to cut my mango butter into small pieces. I want at least 8 ounces of mango butter, and since I'm not using any heat to melt the mango butter, I may have to add additional mango butter a little bit later, but for now, I'm going to measure out 1 cup of the solid butter. Mango butter is an amazing moisturizer for the skin. It's soft, it glides onto the skin easily, and it adds suppleness to the skin. It gives the skin a beautiful glow, and it also helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines. So I'm setting my mango butter to the side just in case I need more. Next, I'm going to place all of my chopped up mango butter into a medium-sized mixing bowl. The first oil that I'm going to use is jojoba oil. So jojoba oil is also great for the skin because it's known not to clog pores, and it contains some essential vitamins. It contains vitamin A, E, and D. Now once you've added your first oil, go ahead and start mashing up your body butter and oil together with a spoon. If you have a potato masher, that could actually work too. Next, I'm going to add in my avocado oil. Avocado oil is a favorite of mine because it helps the skin maintain hydration, it promotes collagen production, and it helps to renew your skin cells. Now, as I said earlier, I might need to add more mango butter, so that's what I'm doing now. And now that my butter is a little softer, I'm going to start mixing to get the perfect whipped consistency of body butter. You can always add additional oil if you see that your butter is still a little stiff. For this particular recipe, I want my body butter to feel light, soft, and airy, almost like whipped cream, but also very moisturizing, so I added a little bit more jojoba and avocado oil. An automatic mixer would be a little bit more efficient for a recipe like this because it does take time for the consistency of the butter to change. It took me about 30 minutes to get this consistency. I did have the blender on a lower speed just because I like to take my time and I enjoy the process, but feel free to increase your mixing speed. But lastly, I'm just going to add in my mango fragrance. So now that I have the consistency of butter that I want, I'm going to fill up my body butter jar. I'm just using a freezer bag and a cake frosting tip to squeeze the butter into the jar. I'm going to fill my homemade piping bag up with as much body butter as I can. Now I'm just going to take my time and squeeze my body butter into the jar. This body butter is really soft and it comes out of the bag so easily. This is the final product, your own personal mango body butter in a jar. So I did have some additional body butter left over. I'm going to fill another jar with the leftover butter. Just because I overfill the first jar for dramatics, I'm going to remove some of that butter and place it in the second jar so that, they both have about the same amount. So that's it. Go ahead and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.